Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Danielle. Welcome, and today's video is how to build your classic preppy wardrobe. Now this is a very classic wardrobe, and I do have a color scheme playing for you so you guys can actually see what it's like to actually be able to build on top of these pieces that I have for you for this fall preppy wardrobe. So if you're into fashion, faith, and femininity, this channel is for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. It would mean the world. So let's go ahead and jump in because I have a lot of things to show you guys. It's gonna be a great time. Let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so the first thing that I want to start off is with pants, and I literally only pulled one pant. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys. I honestly just wanted this to be like a capsule preppy wardrobe. So the first pair of pants, this is a dark denim pant, specifically from Target. This is from Wild Fable. I've got this last season and they're just a beautiful, beautiful dark denim, dark blue jean. Love it. And they are skinny. They're not cropped, just your basic skinny jean that I think this pant specifically, this color will carry you through the whole winter and fall season. So the next category I want to show you guys is I actually broke this down into categories. So we have the outerwear, we have layering pieces, and then we have your shirts, and then a couple of shoes that I threw in here. So we are gonna go ahead and go with our shirt. So I picked out two shirts for you guys. So I picked out this chambray shirt. This could be very versatile, transitional. You could literally just change the color. You could pick a nice white button down, or this blue one. But specifically, I haven't showed this one on my channel, so I decided why not and pick out a chambray shirt for the fall time. So this is such a great shirt. Honestly, button downs are going to be such a lifesaver for you in the fall and winter time because again, they're very buildable pieces. Whether that you want to layer a tissue turtleneck or you want to layer a cable knit sweater. So overall, I love the material of this chambray. Specifically, it's not thick, which I like. Specifically for my button downs, I don't like them to be super thick just because again, for the fall and winter time, I love being able to build on these. So if I have a really thick button down, then odds are I'm not going to want to layer that, so that's just limiting myself to one outfit. So great option to have something that's a little bit more lightweight so you're able to build on that and be able to layer. So the next thing I want to show you for a shirt is a tissue turtleneck. This is specifically, I picked this color. Again, everything's really neutral in this wardrobe just to be able to show you guys how you're able to build with this. So I picked the striped ones because again, neutral, but tissue turtlenecks are such a lifesaver, whether they are very transitional and they can transcend through your wardrobe any season, whether that's spring, whether that's winter or fall. I live in Texas, so I wouldn't be able to get away with this in the summertime, but if you live in a colder area where you don't have really hot summers, then possibly this could be an option. So these are my two favorite pieces. Again, you could even just layer them up together and they would look really well. Let me show you guys. Okay, so that within itself, that is a look right there. Very preppy, very neutral. Anyone with any type of style could really pull this off just because there's not really a timestamp, and that's what I love about the preppy style. It's very classic, feminine, and again, so that's what I love about these two pieces that I showed you. These two shirts, they are building pieces. So everything, again, I'm going to keep saying this throughout the video, all of these pieces are buildable pieces. That's what you want from a fall wardrobe. You can create more outfits from a fall wardrobe than what you can in a... Okay, so the next category I want to move on to is layering pieces. So I did pick out two layering pieces for you, and these are detrimental to your preppy wardrobe, to a preppy classic wardrobe. Now, the first thing I'm going to pull out is a cable knit sweater. Cable knit sweaters, I love them just because specifically this one is from J. Crew. It is a cream color. If I can show you guys if it's coming out right on camera, but it is a cream color. Specifically, J. Crew just does classic pieces so well. But I've had this for about 2 years now. It has done really, really good. It's great. It's holding up really well. Now, one thing when I'm referencing Layering pieces, I would go up a size in layering pieces, just because again you're gonna be layering things and you don't want it to be too tight where you can't layer anything. Then it kind of just defeats the purpose of having layering items. Roll knit sweaters are great because they bring in texture and they can bring in color to your wardrobe. I feel like in the fall and winter time, your wardrobe can get a little stiff. We don't play with too many textures like we do in the summer and springtime with textures and patterns. Things that have patterns and colors like this that I'm wearing right now. This is a really cute cashmere sweater that I got, and then a cute little burgundy tissue turtleneck. So just being able to play these staples in your wardrobe but adding different flair. So this for me, still really preppy, but it adds a lot of femininity to an outfit. So you can do that with stuff like this. It brings in textures. A cashmere sweater. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's a really cute cashmere sweater from J. Crew with little hearts and a turtleneck, and that's exactly what you can do with this one. I just decided to give you guys a little bit of color and versatility. It still goes with the color scheme that I'm showing you of a lot of navies and like grays. So this is great. It keeps you really warm. That's one thing in the fall and winter time you want to invest in your wardrobe, just because it's going to keep you warmer if you live in a colder climate area. So again, super warm. Now cashmere is expensive. They can run from $150 to anything between $200 and $300. This is expensive, specifically because it's from J. Crew. A lot of these pieces are really preppy brands. That is Vineyard Vines, J. Crew, Patagonia, so on and so forth. So yes, in general, these pieces are gonna be expensive, but again, because I've had this cashmere sweater for over 2 years now, it has kept its value. I wear it every season. It's something that I gravitate towards, so I'm able to justify that because it's not just a trendy piece where it's just like one season and it's out and I'm not gonna touch it again. So yes, invest in a cashmere sweater. Keeps you really warm. But again, if you're allergic to cashmere, don't like the feel of cashmere, there are different alternatives, whether that is a type of blend. I can do a video on different sweater guide and show you guys different sweaters, different turtlenecks, so on and so forth, so you guys can actually see how I really get into styling these pieces. Moving on from our 2 layering pieces to our outerwear. This is my favorite part of the video, just because I have so much fun with jackets. That's one way to really elevate and put your personal spin and touch on your outfit. So the first thing that I'm going to mention is Vineyard Vines. This is a nice little shop shirt for the nicer, chillier days in the fall time. This is where we're at in Texas right now, where I live. It's getting cooler, but not enough to pull out a barn jacket or a coat or any of that sort. It's just in the 60s, low 60s, to where I'm able to pull something like this out, and it keeps me really warm. Now, I love this color just because, again, it's a neutral and I'm able to wear it with multiple things. So the next piece that I want to show you guys is, obviously it's not a preppy classic wardrobe video without me including a vest. This is probably my favorite thing about the preppy style, is the vest. I love them. For a long time before I went back into the preppy style, I didn't like vests. I was like, ew. But now I just love preppy vests. It's just a great way to keep nice and warm and bundled up when it's a little bit chillier again. The shop shirt and a vest is a nice way to be able to keep yourself warm when it's not super chilly out. So I picked out the blue. Again, this is J. Crew and I love it. J. Crew has the best vest, and also I love the fact that they pay attention to detail with the gold detailing of the zipper. Just things like that makes a big difference in your outfit. So the last thing that I want to show you guys is my favorite thing, and it literally just came in the mail this week and I was so happy, is my J. Crew barn jacket. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how stinking cute. You might think, Alexis, it's just a blue jacket. No, guys, it's so cute. It keeps me warm. It's so cute. And I love the fact, again, a big advocate of paying attention to detail. And this is a corduroy color. And then if you flip it over, it has little... Look how cute. It has little flowers. That is adorable. Again, you see that pattern throughout the jacket. And then you have the gold detailing And it's also, it keeps you really warm, and again, it's almost like this rain jacket material, so if it rains, you're good, you're covered. So yes, this is a nice price. One thing that I could mention to you guys is, yes, I do spend a lot of money on my fall and winter clothes, but again, they're always having really good sales. So moving on to the last category of this video, and it's shoes. So I brought out only 2 shoes, and one for like the beginning of the fall time and then later on into the fall season. So cultivating this classic wardrobe, I had to bring out my infamous Crew Loafers. I love them, super comfortable, 10 out of 10. I would recommend. I didn't have to break these in, they're super comfy. I love the color brown on this. It's just a classic brown. Really, really well made. Crew, you did so well. I love you. Attention to detail, just like the stitching of the shoe and everything, it's so well made. I had different types of loafers, but I've never had a loafer like this. It's super comfortable and it just fits to your foot. That is a big selling point for me. Okay, kitties, so the next thing that I want to show you, the next shoe, is my hunter boots. Now, I'm not sure what inch these are, but I've had my hunter boots for about probably my senior year in high school, maybe junior year in high school. These are a 10 out of 10. Their value, now hunter boots, I would say they're a little bit more on the pricier side of what you want to pay for rain boots, but honestly the value, the way they've been able to keep their hold on for as long as I've had them are great. My mom actually used to borrow these and she'd wear them often, a lot more than I do, but look, they still look brand new, and just making sure you take care of your items makes a big difference. Okay, kitties, so we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right there. It would mean the world, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.